More sunshine returns most of Friday and Saturday coming up. We may have a little bit of low clouds and fog in spots tomorrow morning, and then there's a cold front arriving later Saturday, but probably most of the daytime going to be dry. Very warm too. You know, record highs are kind of close to the 90-degree mark, and we may be close to some of those record highs both Friday and Saturday. Next cold front arrives though Saturday about evening, late afternoon, kind of right near sunset coming through, and with that maybe a quick little shower along or behind the front, but probably not much rain. And then some cooler weather by Saturday night and Sunday. It's warm now, 80s everywhere, 85 in Harlingen and Brownsville, 89 in Rio Grande City, and 87 in Edinburgh and McAllen. Dew points are up too. Humidity's been on a slow climb last few days, and dew points are right up, kind of flirting with the 70-degree mark. A little bit above that, a little bit below that, depending on where you are, but generally right around 70 degrees, which is, again, pretty humid now as we're into mid-November. This evening, because of the humidity, won't be cooling very much, kind of falling slowly through the 70s. And then once we do get down in the low 70s, close to the dew point tonight, we may see some patches of low clouds or fog start to form again in spots. But, you know, by then we're talking maybe 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. So the evening looks generally clear to partly cloudy and temperatures in the 70s with light winds from the southeast. Not much rain out there today. Maybe a couple little sprinkles or a quick little shower around in spots. I think what you see on here now, this little, what looks like a shower south of Weslaco near Progresso, is actually some smoke in the air from a fire, maybe on the Mexican side. But went outside and looked, and you can see some of the smoke in the air. So this probably is not any rain, just some smoke in the air. Farther to the south, there might be a couple of little showers that are mostly fading away over northern Mexico. But you can see throughout the last 12 hours, almost no rain today. Little sprinkles and a quick little shower in 1 or 2 spots, but almost no rain left on the First 1-5 Doppler network, and what little rain there was didn't amount to much across the area. So things looking dry this evening. Future track shows dry weather as we head through this evening and tonight with mainly partly cloudy skies. But again, maybe some patches of low clouds or fog in spots near sunrise tomorrow. And then during the day, we end up with a mostly sunny day. If it stays sunny enough, it could be easily into the upper 80s in many areas tomorrow, maybe even touching 90 in Starr County and far western Hidalgo County. Friday night looks dry and warm for any plans. And then Saturday, mostly sunny skies around. And it could be another day on Saturday when we spike up to about 90 degrees in the afternoon. Cold front will be moving through by the evening hours. You see by 10 p.m. it's pretty much through the valley, and there might be a couple of sprinkles or showers right along and behind the front, but it does look like very little, if any, rainfall. And then by Sunday, we're back into some cooler weather, some sunshine, but it may kind of hang in about the low 70s or so for highs with much lower humidity. So rain chances dry tomorrow, 20% on Saturday, mainly in the evening hours briefly, and again, that's probably not amounting to much, if any, rain. And by Sunday, we're back in the dry weather and cooler temperatures. Tonight, falling through the 70s, lows near 69 late tonight. Some patches of clouds or fog possible very late tonight. And then tomorrow, back up to around 88. Mostly sunny skies after some early morning patchy clouds and fog are possible. But day probably a couple degrees warmer than today in most areas. First 1-5-70 forecast. We may even hit 90 on Saturday. The atmosphere looks very warm. A cold front will be moving through, but probably not in time to really push the heat out before it does maybe hit 90 degrees. By Sunday, though, about 20 degrees cooler. We could see maybe some high clouds overspread the area at times. May keep temperatures right around 70 or in the low 70s for highs, but morning temperatures in the 50s on Sunday and 50s again on Monday morning. Back in the 70s on Monday, then a mini warm up, but by Wednesday and Thursday, another cold front brings another shot of cooler weather for Thanksgiving. We'll track those changes ahead throughout the week in your First 1-5 forecast